this is Akshay. Welcome to Ranks Auto. Today we are at Saidik Bureau, Pune. We all are here for all new Xtreme 160r. So let's have a look. Xtreme 160r has a muscular body with droid headlamps and LED winkers, which makes it spectacular and gives it a sporty look. The overall length of the bike is 2029 mm. To absorb shocks and road vibrations, bike has 37 mm telescopic suspension at front and adjustable monoshock suspension at rear. This bike has 163cc air-cooled BS6 engine which produces power of 15 bhp and 14 Nm torque. Hero has claimed that the bike can accelerate from 0 to 60 kmph in 4.7 seconds. Engine is provided with program fuel injection, so bike gives a decent mileage of 50 kmpl. The overall weight of bike is around 140 kg. Bike has fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. Coming to the seat, it has height of 790 mm, which makes the bike comfortable for any road conditions. Bike is equipped with inverted LED console and digital speedometer. Bike has full LED lights with LED DRLs, which are not provided in any other bikes of this segment. Bike comes with side stand cutoff switch, which is first in segment. One of the plus point for this bike is that company has provided kick, which lack in bikes above 150cc. Bike comes in two variant options, single disc and dual disc. Both variants have single channel ABS. Single disc variant is equipped with disc at front and drum at rear. Dual disc variant is equipped with pedal disc at front and rear. Bike looks sporty. Whether it sounds sporty, let's check out. Xtreme 160r comes with three color options, which are Sports Red, Pearl Silver White and Vibrant Blue. Daily ex-showroom price for Xtreme 160r starts at Rs 1 lakh for single disc variant and 1.03 lakh for dual disc variant. If you have any queries, please comment below. We would be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe Ranks Auto.